cave of the heart. It's a symbolic cave, refers to these five sheets. And sometimes we say it is in the intellect, from where the ego is reflected. You crush that. How? Triangle. Om Shanti. Cave of your. So again, that movement of the mind is not only symbolic but also experiential. How it is experiential? Stop saying Om Shanti, just move the mind inside the heart, the cave of the heart. And see, you get aware of the first sheet, second sheet, because the mind is moving inside. It is due to the second energy sheet. Movement cannot happen without a force. But the mind has a non-verbal desire to move within, not outside. Intellect sheet, small ego, and that is crushed here, as if the reflected sunlight returns to the intellect, which is a mirror, and stops there. I'm just trying to be logical, rational, and after that, you need not to worry. The real self takes over us. This outermost sheet, the food sheet, is the part of the physical universe. The energy, what we say, the prana or the life force, is a part of the cosmic energy. One energy, how dare I say it is me and my life force? Earth sheet, our small, belittled mind is the part of the cosmic mind. Our knowledge in the intellect is part of the cosmic intelligence. And after all, there is a permanent peace. Its reflection is pleasure. Fifth sheet. Oh, so do you mean see existence is always in this state? Yes. That drops our ego. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Uh, Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. We will share our experiences. Bring your mind to the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it in your eyes, open the eyes inside. Know your experiences. Bring the hands down. How are you, David and Jerry?
Good morning. Uh, Very simple, very, very quick, very peaceful, very calm. It was just,
Very
it was just lovely.
beautiful. Yes, that's a beautiful experience. How are you, Jerry?
Sir, I'm good. I from the moment I closed the eyes, I just kind of dropped back behind everything and just listened,
What?
noticed. I guess I just didn't really do anything. I guess I felt like I didn't do anything.
Yeah, yeah,
And one thing that you mentioned during the meditation that I have during the days with the contemplation and reflection is really started to say separating the body's talking to me, like if there's something like a new growth on the body, right? Or the body's talking to me, but I'm not the body,
yeah.
right? The body's changing. So I've been doing that. The mind's talking to me, right? But I'm not the mind. So it's
And
not,
it gives you such a cool and a calm feeling all the time.
yeah.
Yeah, that's a beautiful way to express it. And when you say I did nothing, it we do something because of the five sheets. Do you see that? That awareness enters in our, or we enter into that awareness. Beautiful. How are you, Stephen and Sam?
I'm good, thank you. Um, my meditation was basically split into two parts. I felt um, I felt that I was the observer of my meditation, looking from the outside in, and then it turned into me being completely on the inside, with peace, calmness, and bodilessness.
Beautiful. You see, the more we dispassionate about these five sheets, we have such beautiful experiences. How are you, Sam?
Good. I would say um, when we got to the triangle, uh, just experienced complete thoughtlessness, but high awareness and a higher level of energy.
Yeah, yeah. We also feel a very high level of energy. And ultimately, what happens, the mind is always clear. Have you heard that principle? Perhaps Jerry might have heard uh, that more the thoughts in the mind, more hours of sleep you need. If your mind keeps wandering during the entire day, you maybe probably need 10 to 12 hours of sleep. And your mind is totally focused naturally, you may need only 3 to 4 hours. So that gives you the energy because Sam was talking about this energy. So it because then your energy is not dissipated because of wandering mind. And that keeps the body in that state. Wonderful. How are you, Brandy?
Good morning, everyone. I'm good, thank you. My practice, my meditation was really just absorbed today. I was pretty in it the whole time.
Ah, good. Very good. How are you, Terry? Terry became totally still after 10 minutes of meditation.
I don't think I think I'm understanding it, but I don't think I'm experiencing the meditation. I'm very distracted on a lot of different levels by the
Yeah. No worries. I'm going to
different
send,
things.
no
Yeah.
worries. I'm going to send you the file. Repeat it, repeat it, repeat it. And still you do not understand, I'm here.
I feel like I understand, but I'm not practicing really. I'm not achieving the practice part.
First understand which sheet is saying this.
Huh.
They are the sheet. You are not, you are none of them. And then start understanding and do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it.
I'm trying not to. I don't want to have too many thoughts about it. I I I feel better when I don't form an opinion.
No worries. Are you, Vaibhav?
So I'm good. It was very peaceful.
Peaceful. Very good. How are you, Rakesh?
Thank you, sir. Uh, Today again, while I was doing the nyasa on my left leg, I reached to the top of the mountain,
Hmm.
all in greenery. And then when I saw, I could see still horizon, which was very, very, very far out, and it was all green. Greenery was there, and then this expansion happened uh, because the horizon was quite far up. The sky, which was blue, it was
Hmm.
going towards black near to the horizon. So later on, I realized that while I was doing the deep breathing stopped. It was a very shallow breathing. Still, I was doing
Hmm.
the nyasa as guided by you. So
Hmm.
at the end of the meditation, while I was on a triangle, this thing was totally blank. There was uh, no movement, no thought, nothing.
No movement.
So that is
Yeah,
how it was very pleasant and very, very calm.
very calm. Now we can easily understand the interaction of these five sheets. They are modifying themselves during the practice of meditation, give rise to these experiences of colors, of mountains, of blankness, of emptiness. And that is what we are going to understand each and everything. Huh? In this journey. That's a beautiful. How are you, Barbara?
I'm very good, thank you. There was one point in the meditation that I felt as though I was losing myself, and that was kind of scary. But then I realized that I'm not really losing myself, I'm finding myself. And
Yeah,
then it became
yeah,
beautiful.
that's a beautiful. You know, we have this fear of losing ourselves pertains to the five sheet. Now we can easily understand. So when it pertains to the five sheet, okay, no worries. I'm in meditation. Beautiful. How are you, Sangeeta?
सर बहुत बहुत पीसफुल था और सर सिर में बिल्कुल हल्कापन लग रहा था.
Sarmya, yeah. She is feeling totally lightness, not lightheadedness, lightness in the head, and totally calm. We have left. Anesthesia. Yes, anesthesia.
Thank you. It was very deep and calm and warm. And my favorite question is now, who is every single, when I have some reaction or something, some feeling, I ask always who is tired, who is angry, who is sad, who is happy. And this question is very helpful to drop reaction.
I appreciate you. That is a good understanding, because when you say who is angry, anger is an unconscious expression of the mind. And when you ask who is angry, you become conscious. And that drops it. That is the perfect anger management. And you are right. If you keep asking those questions with reference, and what happens now, you have a clarity. The reference goes to the 5 sheets. How are you, Ashok?
I'm good, sir. Peaceful and quiet.
Peaceful and wise?
Peaceful and quiet.
Oh, peaceful and quiet. We are wise also. so that is all for today. We'll meet again. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Namaste,
sir.
everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Namaste.
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 Thank you.
Thank you so much.